Good morning. We are finally doing a video after about 6 months. It's exciting. Charlie's got some new boots.
Oh look, these are the old ones.
He's obviously working
Shinies.
far too hard.
Look how happy I am.
And apparently it's non-uniform day today, which no one told me about, but
I know this is really bad, but my wife's on holiday. She's not at home to do my washing, so I've got no t-shirts.
Anyway, today we've got this roof to do. We cut it all yesterday. Should have filmed it, I know, but there we are. I just get a little bit of a telling off from Mike. But the boys started slating that yesterday, so we need to get all the lead work up on there, get the fascia board and soffit all done and get that sorted out. It's going to be a lot of fun trying to do the lead work on that horrendously badly done stonework up there. But that's not my concern, that's his concern. And then the other part we've got to do today is in here. I'll just jump up on these steps and show you. We have got, sorry about the dodgy camera work, we're going to take this ceiling down, remove these joists, and then we can finish getting the rest of these joists in across here, and then get the floor down up here. And then this is a job that we sort of just drop in now and then, so as and when funds are available and time is available. So once we've sorted this lot out, then they can at least use this space temporarily as well. So for now, we'll get all set up. We've got the vans absolutely rammed full of materials, so keep these boys busy, and yeah, I'll show you a little bit more as we're progressing. I thought I'd just film this a minute because this looks amazing.
It is amazing.
And I get a little bit of a close-up for you on this. Get you in out the shade, out the sun now. This is pretty. Kieran's got his top off as well, so just for the ladies. There's these two. All for a bit of guttering.
You can reach it now.
Get that. No, I'm not sure she's quite at the 70-30 angle as I trip over the steps. Not quite sure we've got the right angle on this.
Go on then, film this. This is genius.
Look at him go. Anyway, this bit here I thought I'd just show you quickly. So at the minute I've ripped down some 12mm ply for the soffit here, so we've got that soffit run, and then I've just used a pin gun to pin those on here. Next part is we'll sort out the fascia board to go up there. Ideally we'd like to get the soffit and fascia on before all the tiles and everything else go on, but I didn't have it yesterday, so you know, we wanted to get on. So we sorted that out. I've left this bit a little bit long because we're going to do a box section like the one above there. Sort out those little bits then. So I've got all the fascia on now. What I've done there is I've just run full piece along there, and then for this side, I don't know if you can see, you'll probably see those joints. There's a bit of 5x1 run up there first using the angles, and then add on these pieces to make the box. Usually just glue those and pin them. Got the soffit, again the 12mm ply soffit underneath, and I'm trying to show you that a bit better. It's a bit hard in this. And then Shawnee's getting on up there with his slating. Almost looks professional.
so close to being professional. Almost know what I'm doing.
Almost. Obviously on these ends here then they'll just get pointed up, or how would you, is that what you say, pointed up, Sean?
Yep, pointer up.
And then he's got some lead work to do, which I know he's looking forward to. Also it's really hot today, it's about 30 degrees.
30 odd degrees or something.
And those tiles, those slates rather, are unbelievably hot, aren't they?
My knee's melted to this this slate now, so I can't get it off.
That's right. So yeah, one of those fun things you don't really think about too much until you're there. But, yeah, and then I'll show you what the two little boys are up to. I'll sneak in without them knowing we're here. There they are. Now Cian's put his top back on, Jack's got his off, so ladies, please do cool yourself. They are busy trashing the house. So they're taking that ceiling out and the joists out. There's a few pipes in there and some cables, and it's not flooded yet, so they're doing all right. So once we get those done, I finished all that soffit and fascia board, so I'm going to start getting these joists cut. I'm going to start fitting these then. Get this bit finished. Okay. Okay, so I've been cutting we're on to the joists now. So just take you up, spin you round. There's Shawnee down there.
I'm literally the multi-tool of this thing.
Multi-tool, that's right. So I've been sorting all the cutting out. I've just been wandering around the camera all day.
That is all you've done?
Not like Mike. And so what we're doing is we've cut all the joists, is the word I'm looking for, and then boys down this end. I've cut noggins in between to space them out. They're firing those in as they go, and that'll space them out on the steel side. And then Shawnee down there is nailing them in at the minute, just straight into that wall plate that's bolted to the wall. And then we will be putting the jiffy hangers on after. Just find it easier to do it that way. It's a fun job for Neil to do over there. He's looking forward to it. He might have some sore thumbs by the end of the day. So yeah, so we've got 3 more to get in down there, and then we will be running a row of noggins through the middle, and that'll be that done. Okay, we're all finished for today. The boys have sorted out the slate roof and got the soakers in. They're going to do the lead work on Monday, because we've basically gone in and concentrated then on getting those joists done. So that should all be finished on Monday. And then in there, cleaning that big mess up in there. And then up here, just to quickly show you them finished, apart from the noggins in the middle. So there's the joists all on now, just blocked up that doorway again. We just need a few more noggins in there, finish that off. And then we can start looking at getting all the flooring done then next week. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. And we'll try and be a little bit more proactive and get a few more videos out if you enjoy them. And don't forget to subscribe and do all the likes and all that fun stuff that you have to do that I don't really know about. And any last words, Sean? Any wise words?
Why?
We could do with a really wise sentence.
Oh, there's no wise stuff coming from me, Steve. On a Friday.
Nothing.
I'm usually
Nothing.
alright for wise stuff on a leap year.
A leap year?
Every
That
4 years,
often?
once every 4 years.
Okay, cool. Well, that's, you know, no handy little tips from you? No? Nothing? There's nothing in there. Nothing of any use to any of the people watching.
Absolutely
Nothing. Okay,
Nothing.
cool. Well, I'm glad we checked. And we will see you on the next video.